students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing wonder. I am Rashmi, again welcoming you on my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi, where we are continuing with the topic ratio and proportion. So let us look to many more type of problem. How can we simplify relation between the ratio? So when the given ratio we have a ratio b is given to us, whatever the format we have. Here we have in the fraction form, b ratio c is also given to us. So this common part which we have, we somehow have to try to make it same. Okay, so here we have 4 by 3, here we have 2 by 3. Either we have to get 2 by 3, 2 by 3 or 4 by 3, 4 by 3 at both the places. Or we can first simplify to get rid of this fraction. And then rest of the thing is exactly the same way as we have done in the previous session. So A ratio B is given to us 1 by 2 ratio 4 by 3, right? We know 2 and 3 is there in the denominator. So we will be multiplying by the LCM of 2 and 3, which is going to give us 6 here in the multiplication. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 6 is going to give me 3 into the numerator. 4 by 3 multiplied by 6. Look, 1 by 2 multiplied by 6. Longer method we are doing for now. 4 by 3 multiplied by 6. Which is going to give me 3 here. And this is 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 4 twos are 8. So 3:8 is going to be the ratio of A and B. Similarly, we can get the ratio of B and C. For that, 2 by 3 ratio 1 by 4. We simply have to take the LCM of denominator 3 and 4, which is 12 of course. So let's multiply 2 by 3 by 12 and 1 by 4 also by 12. This is going to give me 3 4s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Look, automatically we got both the numbers same, whatever is there in place of B. This is the value for B here. And this is the value for B here. 4 3s are 12. So let us quickly write the ratio of A, B, C. Ratio of A and B is 3:8. Ratio of B and C is 8:3. So 8 is already we have in place of B. Let's quickly write only 3 in place of C. So 3:8:3 is the ratio of A, B, C. Isn't it interesting one? We can do it by the shortcut way also. We only have to see what is there in the denominator to save our time, right? How we will be doing? Look, here itself we will be multiplying it by 6 and here by 12. So this is going to give me the value for 1 by 2 multiplied by 6 gives me 3:8 for A and B, and ratio of B and C is 8:3. So we, rather than writing these many steps, we can do it quickly also. Let us look to the next example. A is 500% of B. We can simplify this. A is 500% means 500 upon 100 of B, which is going to give me 5B. So A is 5 times of B and B is 2/3 of C. What is the value of B? It is 2/3 of C. That means the ratio of A and B is given to us 5:1 and ratio of B and C is given to us 2:3. Now we have to get the ratio of A, B, C. For that, what we will be doing? We will be writing it as 5:1 and 2:3 here. Now we know how can we multiply to balance it out. Nothing we have here, so we will be multiplying it by the number which we have. So 2 is there. Before 2, nothing is there, so we will be multiplying it by 2. 1 we have here, after this 1, nothing is there, so we will be multiplying it by 1. Now let's take the product. 5 multiplied by 2, we have to take the product vertically. 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So 10:2:3 will be the ratio of A, B, C. So this way we can do it by the basic method. But rather than doing it into this way, I can show you the shortcut way also. We can directly write ratio of A, B, C. Here itself we can simplify. B is 2/3 of C. That means the ratio of B and C is 2:3. So sorry, let me write here 2:3. Okay. After writing the value ratio of B and C, then what we have? A is 500% of B. So whatever the value of B we have, what we will be doing for that? Value for B is 2x. We simply have to take 500% of 2x. What we will be getting here? 500% of 2x. That means 2 only I am writing for now, because I have not written x with B and C. Let's quickly simplify this. Zeros will get cancelled out. 5 multiplied by 2 gives me 10. 2, 3. So we can directly get the ratio of A, B, C. Look, the whole calculation, whole solution we replaced within these 2 steps. So that is why I always suggest to practice a lot so that you can save a lot of time. Rather than writing it, you can do it quickly and smartly to save your time. Okay. Now, please simplify this question, and whatever the doubts you are getting, put it in the comment box.